Hi, my name is Corey Houghton, and I am your Pilot Point Elementary instructional coach. I wanted to take a few minutes to welcome all of our new teachers that have joined our family here at Pilot Point Elementary. And I thought I would send you this video to let you know a little bit about myself. And also want to welcome all of our teachers from last year back, and we're looking forward to a great year here at Pilot Point Elementary School. I graduated from Aubrey, which is just down the road, and yes, we were rivals with Pilot Point, but I am happy to be a Bearcat this time. I graduated in 1979. And I graduated from Liberty University in 1986. And that school is located in Lynchburg, Virginia. And also in 1986, I married John Houghton, who I met at Liberty University. We married 34 years ago. He has a business here as an attorney here in Pilot Point. So if you need him, you can find him on the web. This is my family. The youngest of our children is Reagan to the left, next to John. She just graduated from nursing school from Waynesburg. His daughter is Virginia Houghton, who used to teach here, and she will be married in December. And so she has chosen not to work with us this year. We will miss her greatly, but she will be getting married, so she's working for my husband locally until she gets married in December. We'll be moving to Keller with her husband Brian. This is our son Wes, who lives in Austin, and he is a Google contractor. So that is Wes and his daughter McKinley, our first and only granddaughter who we love to spend time with. So that is our family, and I just want you to know that I'm here to support you through reflection and collaboration, with our main purpose and goal is for student achievement. I'm here to help in any way, so please reach out to me. My office is located in the second grade hall. I am the first office to your left. So come by and see me if you're new to the school, and if you're not, come and say hello, and I will be making my way around very soon. Let's have a great year.